In this video, you'll practice 30 opposite words in English. First, antonym words list, common opposites. Repeat every line out loud. Don't just read along. Hot, cold. Big, small. Old, young. Fast, slow. Happy, sad. Easy, difficult. Early, late. Light, dark. Open, closed. Full, empty. Clean, dirty. Wet, dry. Near, far. High, low. Up, down. Inside, outside. Above, below. Left, right. Front, back. Day, night. Hard, soft. Strong, weak. Rich, poor. Safe, dangerous. Noisy, quiet. Beautiful, ugly. Thick, thin. Wide, narrow. Deep, shallow. Buy, sell. That's the end. Nice work. One tip to get much more out of this. Come back and do this video again 2 or 3 times over the next few days. Short practice, repeated across days, works far better than one long session. See you in the next one.